Happy Thursday morning to you. Hello, hello. Yeah, okay, so I said I'd check in with you on Thursday. How is that project coming along that you prioritized for this week? You made a little bit of a plan so that you would not be that person on Friday afternoon saying, oh my God, I haven't even started it yet. What is wrong with me? Bam, 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 bam. Okay. Oh, wait, you didn't make a plan? Okay, well, maybe you've made a bit of a plan. Anyway, get busy on whatever it is today. Today, it's only Thursday, so unless you're watching this on Saturday, in which case I'm sorry I can't help you. But you can do it next week. All right, who am I? I am Kitty Andrews with declutterthebrain.com, helping neurodivergents of all flavors, and I check four of the boxes to simplify their lives, get grounded, and focus on the, how many, Susan C? One thing that will skyrocket their daily productivity. That's right. And this week we're talking about simplifying the garage. Yes, the garage. The the room that 50% of people that National Association of Professional Organizers polled said was the most disorganized room in their space, in their home. Why is that? Because frankly, it's a drop zone for everything. You name it. It just goes in the basement, old boxes, all of this stuff. So of course there's no room for your car, and it is better to park your car inside. If you may not want to. I actually do know some people who prefer to park outside. Don't get me started. Sure, if you want to expose your car to the salt in the Atlantic air, be my guest. But whatever, who am I to judge? Anywho, what you want to do is don't beat yourself up about how it accumulated. Just decide that you're going to have and to keep a tidy garage, and determine the purpose that you want. Do you want a workshop? Do you want a studio, a play space, car storage, a combination? All is good. Have a basic plan, and this will motivate you towards the end result. Now, of course, there's going to be a fair bit of overwhelm here. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. So remember, it did not happen. The accumulation did not happen overnight. It's not going to go away overnight unless you've got a better magic wand than I have. So just cut yourself some slack and make a bit of a plan as to where you're going to start. Pretty much the way we talked about the basement a couple of weeks ago. Make some sort of plan. And remember to have some toys with you, like something to play tunes or a podcast. You may want to involve a trusted friend or family member or coach to keep you company, because it is tedious. Something I haven't mentioned yet is do keep your sessions short. 45 minutes is what I recommend, especially for ADHDers, because that's approximately our attention span. For many other people as well, but mine is 40 minutes, as a matter of fact, and then I start to zone out. Now, first, bundle the obvious trash. That's right, bundle the obvious trash, and yes, there is obvious trash. Pizza boxes, empties, right? Empties, things you've been meaning to take to the thrift store. Corrugated cardboard, old appliances. Get rid of the obvious trash first. You are going to be amazed, just like clients Laura and Chris were amazed at how much room they had after they got rid of this. It just, once you see it, you really get it. Okay, so you've cleaned away your obvious discards, and now you're working smart. Today we're talking about working smart. Clear one area, one area as a staging area, a workspace, if you will. And what you could do, you could clear off one area where, because I said to start in one corner, that could be it. Or you may need to work on the floor, for all I know. But what I do know is that it is easier to declutter a bunch of stuff when it's away from when it's not buried in other clutter, for lack of a better way to say it. It's just easier when you don't have a lot of visual distraction. So make a little storage area, workspace area for yourself. And once you've finished the one area, then move to the next area. Trust me, this works. If you can keep moving in a line as opposed to, okay, I'm going to start here and then I'm going to work over there for a little bit and maybe I'll come back and I'm all over the place and I wonder why I'm not getting anything done. Trust me, if you keep working from one area sequentially, you will have amazing results. And again, keep taking away your discards so you can fuel your momentum and your confidence. Okay, tomorrow, life is like a department store. Until then, scroll down, see that phone, text that phone number for your complimentary your guest pass to our Wednesday party, ADHD-CONNECT, where we have a lot of fun, we get a lot of things done within our private coaching in a group container program for, what is it? I think it's like $11 a day, if that. So, all right, come join us, won't you? Have a terrific day, everybody. Bye for now.